Tilt and telescopic steering can make your driving position more comfortable. Depending on what's available on your vehicle, tilt and telescopic steering allows all drivers to easily set the tilt and telescope of the steering wheel with controls to adjust up and down or in and out via a lever or switch. To adjust the steering wheel position, first make sure you've brought the vehicle to a complete stop. Never try to make adjustments while you're driving. If your vehicle is equipped with powered switches to control tilt and telescopic steering, use the up and down arrow directions of the switch to adjust the tilt of the steering wheel. Use the left and right directions to adjust the telescope of the steering wheel closer to your seat or farther away. If your vehicle is equipped with a manual adjustment lever, adjust the steering wheel in the same directions by first pulling the lever down and manually positioning the steering wheel tilt and telescope. Once you have positioned the steering wheel where you want it, push the lever back up to secure the position. The right steering wheel position for you will be different from others, and it could take a few adjustments to get it right. First, make sure your vehicle is in park. Then, adjust the seat to a comfortable position, making sure you can reach the pedals with your feet. Now, set the steering wheel to a comfortable position, making sure you can see the instrument cluster and you can make a full rotation without losing contact with the wheel. Your elbows should be slightly bent. You might need to readjust your mirrors after you set your steering wheel position. Set your adjustable steering wheel and make your drive more comfortable.